Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to invite your friends to like your Facebook fan page. Alright, so I'm here right now on my business partner Arit's music fan page. She is the other half of Esatino Artists, and she is also a singer. And she is releasing her new song here on November 15th. So I want to invite a bunch of people on my profile to like this fan page. So first thing you want to do is head over to your Facebook fan page like I am right now. And then you want to head over to the three dots area right here just below this banner. And then go invite friends. Then this is going to pop up. And it's going to say here, not invited, selected, and invited. So I haven't done this in a little bit, and it says here that I have 2,706 people not invited, so we've got a lot of people to select. Now the cool thing is you can click select all, and it's going to select everyone. You can also put a little message here up at the top and, maybe say something about your page, why you want people to support you, why you want people to like the page. All right, so I've just written this little blurb here, and it's cool because you can customize it. So I wrote, hello, it's Jewel here. Arit will be releasing her new song Masterpiece on November 15th. We would appreciate your support by liking her fan page, smiley face. So before I click send invites, there's also another button right here that says also send each invite in Messenger, and it says here you can send up to 50 invites at a time for this page through Messenger. So I think I'm just going to leave it as traditional because there's so many, and I'm just going to click send invites here. So it is now sent. I just sent it to like 2,000 something people. Have not done this in a while, so we should be getting a bunch of likes. And here we go. We've got a bunch of likes already. We've got about 11 or 12 or 13 likes in the first minute here. That's awesome. So that is it. That is how you invite your friends to like your Facebook fan page. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.